Good day and thank you for joining us here at Codeverse. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, welcome to Codeverse. Codeverse is an online learning platform where we teach you on website design and development. We also teach you on different tech contents and all of that. We also have our WhatsApp platform where you can join and also get to meet with other students and fellow developers. Please, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and also make sure to follow us on all the social media handles that we are in. Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you a way you can create a user or users, multiple users on your WordPress platform. Okay. All right. So if you are new to this channel, we've covered a lot of topics around WordPress. So please, if you've not seen any topic related to WordPress here, please you can make sure you drop us a comment on a particular topic that you want us to cover around WordPress. And also please do well to watch most of our previous videos around WordPress. So let's get down to how we can create user or multiple users on our WordPress website. Okay, so if you finish building a WordPress website, you as the owner of the website, you want to actually give out permission to a certain user or to certain people, and you wouldn't want them to have full permission, or you wouldn't want them to have the full admin login details for your WordPress website. So this is what you can do. You can actually just create another account for them so that they can be using that to log in. So we have different kind of roles on WordPress that you can assign to that individual who you want to have access to your website. So if you want them to be a publisher, that is people who are going to be posting on the site, if you want them to be an editor or contributor or subscribers. So these are some of the roles you can actually assign to people, okay? So without them necessarily having the full permission to access your WordPress website. So to do that, you go straight to your dashboard. Once you log into your dashboard, you go straight to where we have users here. So once you click on users, you're going to see the list of users that you currently have on your WordPress. So you can see the username, you can see this is the username, you can also see the email address, and you can see the role that is being assigned to this user. So this role is an administrator role, okay? So you head over to where we have add new user. All right, so in this place, you give it a username. So let's give it a username. Then for the email address as well is required, you put in the email address. Sorry. Then for the first name, you can just put in their first name, last name. Their website is optional, so you may choose to leave that, or you may just choose to put it as well if you want. Then for the password, so in this case here, you could generate a password for the user, or better still, you could just assign a password to them, okay? Just assign a password to them, okay? Let me just assign. Okay, so what it's telling us is that the password is weak. So let's generate a random password, okay? So that's been generated. Let me just save it here. Go back. So right now in this case, you see this send user notification. This allows you to either send them a notification about their stuff, okay? Now let's look at the role here. This role now allows you to either make them a subscriber, people who are subscribed to your website or your blog, or a contributor or an author. Author here gives them the role to make posts, to publish posts and all that. Or you make them an editor. An editor also have the role to edit posts that have been published, also have the role to make posts and all of that. So if you give them an administrator here, that means they will also have the same capacity that you as the main admin have. Okay, so whenever you are assigning a role, make sure you are thoughtful about it and know the one you are assigning to a particular person. So right now we're making this an editor, then we'll go ahead and click on add new user. All right, so you can see now that this user has been added to the site. You can see that right now. Okay, the user has actually been added to the website. All right, so in this case now we have seen how we can add users to our website without stress. So right now the user can actually log in to the website just like that. So in case you want to view the user, you can just click on this view. You'll be able to view the user. Okay, so just like that. Now if we go back again, let's go back and log in. So let's click on edit. Once we click on edit, we're going to get the username so that we can log in. All right, so we can see the username is Harrison. Okay, that is the username. So right now let's log out of the admin and then try logging in as that user that we just added. So I'm going to put in the username, then paste in the password, then I'll click on login. All right, great. So you can see now that we have logged in as this user who has been given the role of an editor. And you can see from here right now, you can see these are just the permissions. These are just the things I'm allowed to edit. Most of the settings are not here because I am not given that role of an administrator. So you can just see that right now. Okay, so that is just a simple way you can add users to your WordPress website without giving them your main administrator login details. So please let me know if you have any question in the comment section and we'll reply to you. Please do well to subscribe and follow us on all our social media handles so that whenever we post any new video like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And also, if you have any video of interest you would like us to create, please do let us know in the comment section as well. Thank you.